how to post a live photo on Instagram story. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, swipe towards the right of your screen and you will be led to the interface from where you can add stories on Instagram. So, tap on the Photos option and further select the live photo that you want to add to Instagram story. Now, if you want, you can simply post the photo as it is, or if you want to add live effects to your photo, then tap on the boomerang option you see there on top and further tap on the type of effect. You can choose from classic, slow-mo, eco, and duo. Once you have decided on the type of effect, tap on the done button and further tap on the your story option. And with this, your live photo will be posted. So this is how you can post a live photo on Instagram story. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.